Hello everyone! I'm Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated.
So, sino ba yung mga kailangan ng life insurance, 'di ba? Siyempre, breadwinners, responsible parents, 'di ba? Pagka kasi nakita mo yung responsibility mo, nag-take action ka, sabi nga, i-put mo in writing, kumuha ka ng policy. If you love your family, so yun yun, nagiging responsible parents ka. Of course, business people, kasi bukod sa family, meron din tayong mga responsibility sa business, no? May mga dapat din i-insured. And then stay-at-home parents, kailangan din yan, no? Single, like ako nga, nung kumuha ako, single pa ako. Pero hindi naman porket single ka, wala kang responsibilidad, di ba? So may mga single na breadwinner. People with estate, people with mortgage, people with loan. So again, ang purpose niyan, pag may nangyari sa atin, hindi baon sa utang yung ating pamilya. Kasi usually yun ang natatransfer yung utang, no? So nahihirapan lalo yung next generation. So only people who will not die doesn't need life insurance. So yan, kung di ka daw mamamatay, yan. So wag ka nang kumuha ng insurance. Ayan, so yung stay-at-home parents, kailangan ba ng insurance? Pakitype nga, yes or no? Kala kasi natin, breadwinner lang, no? Pero pati pala yung mga full-time housewife, kailangan din natin ma-share sa kanila to na kailangan ng family, no? Kasi minsan, OFW, tapos yung wife sa Pilipinas, housewife, walang insurance. Pero kailangan din pala, no? Kasi may mga cost yan, no? Napaka-valuable ng service daw nila sa family. So, they play the roles of driver, cook, cleaner, tutor, di ba? Sa mga kids, accountant in the family. So, these services can cost a lot if you were to hire other people to do for the family. So, yan. Kahit stay-at-home parents, kailangan pa rin ng insurance. Single people, kailangan pa ba ng insurance? Yes or no? Ayan. So, kailangan pa rin, no? Kasi, ito, no? They have loved ones to take care of. Like, yun nga, no? Nagtitake care ng parents. Yung iba nagpapaaral ng kapatid. So, they may have plans to start a family soon. Diba? Of course, mas mababa pag nakakuha tayo na mas maaga at habang healthy and insurable tayo. So, they are in a business partnership and want to protect the business. They want to take advantage of the tax benefits of saving in policy and have coverage at the same time. And they want to leave a legacy to the cause they are passionate about. So again, kahit single po, kailangan po ng insurance.